Okay, let's go driving in the snow. Lots of snow. Hope I don't get stuck in my driveway, but I'm not in the mood to shovel any snow today. So I'm gonna back right out onto the street. But of course I'm checking like crazy. Yeah. Oh, don't get stuck, don't get stuck. Yeah. Place the gear selected to drive. Oh, I have to close my garage door. Okay, this is crazy. Look at my driveway. It's got about 10 inches of snow. I guess when I get back home I'll shovel some snow, but right now I have to get out for a little while. Now we're making a right turn at the stop sign here, but there's no white line, so we stop at the edge of the roadway. Check to the left, no one there. And of course you have to go lightly on the gas pedal so you don't spin your tires, meaning I'll have a lot more traction. Okay. Now the speed here is like 35 on the normal road conditions, but it's covered in snow, so I'm doing about 30 right now. At the stop sign it's gonna be a left turn, so I put my left signal on and I can't see a sidewalk or anything, so I stop at the edge of the road and then check to the left and right, then I proceed. And notice I'm not spinning my tires, and I'm in motion. When we get up to the next stop sign, I'm going to show you what will happen if you go too hard on the gas pedal. The car most likely will go sideways and most likely you'll be able to see it all. So I'm gonna come up to this stop sign, make a complete stop right out to the edge of the road because there's no white line to be seen or sidewalk. Complete stop. Now I'm gonna go hard on the gas and you'll see what's gonna happen. Wow, this car has really good traction. I spun the tires, but it did not go sideways. It still went straight. But let's say I had all season radials on the car, like in the summer months, then the car would be all over the road if I accelerated like that. So make sure when you're driving your car in the winter, make sure you have good tires. Good snow tires, I should say. Make sure the tires aren't worn, the snow tires aren't worn out, because if they're worn out, then you're not gonna have the traction. Now I'm coming up to this stop sign and I'm gonna brake hard and see what happens. Still went in a straight line, all because I have good tires. Okay, I'm making a right turn, so this is a four-way stop sign. Check to the left and right, and then I proceed and recover. Now you can see the snow coming down. This is a lot of snow. It's been snowing for 2 days where I live. Okay, right turn at the stop sign, so signal right and position the car with the wheels, turn to the right and stop at the edge of the road because there's no white line or crosswalk. Then I check to the left. There's a vehicle coming, but it's way down the street, so I have enough time to make my turn. Now when you're driving on the roads, try to stay where you see the tracks, the tire tracks. That way you have more traction when you're driving. Don't try to drive up in the snow, because if for any reason you have to stop in a hurry, you're just gonna slide. But of course if you have good tires on there, then maybe you won't. Okay, so usually it's 40 on the street. I'm doing about 35 because of course I should not drive at the full speed when the road conditions are, you know, the way it is right now. Always play it safe. Drive a little bit slower. And if there are cars behind you and they don't like it, it's too bad. If they want to pass, there's a whole lane over there for them to pass. Okay, I'm gonna turn left into this plaza, so I signal left, check my rear view mirror and my left shoulder, and then I turn into the plaza. Hand over hand steering. And now I have to find a parking space on the left, so I will signal left, check mirror, check all around, make sure there's no one, and I'm gonna put the car in beside this white vehicle. Hand over hand steering. And when the car is straight, then you recover. Hand over hand. Seat looks like a clock, so you know the wheel is straight. Okay, hope you like the tips. Share and please subscribe. Hope this was of help to you. Bye for now.